In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create checklists in Asana. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open the Asana platform on your computer. If you don't have an account yet, it's super easy to set one up. Once you're logged in, look for the Create button located in the upper left-hand corner of your screen. This button is your gateway to launching new projects and tackling tasks efficiently. After hitting the Create button, a menu will pop up, and here you'll want to select the Project option. This is the perfect way to start building a structured list for your tasks. Now it's time to choose the Blank Project option. By going with this clean slate, you're setting yourself up for an organized and distraction-free checklist experience. Once you've selected the Blank Project option, it's important to name your checklist appropriately. Enter a clear and descriptive title that truly reflects the purpose of your checklist. This will help you and your team know exactly what the list is about, making it easier to stay organized. Next, you'll need to get your privacy settings in order. Asana allows you to choose whether your checklist will remain private or if it will be shared with your team. If you're working solo, keeping it private might make sense. However, if you want your team to collaborate and contribute, setting it to shared is the way to go. Now that your project is titled and your privacy settings are configured, click on the List View tab. This option will give you a traditional and straightforward linear checklist experience. It's visually simple and makes it easy to see all your tasks lined up for completion. With your setup almost complete, go ahead and click that Create Project button. This finalizes everything and opens your new workspace. You're officially in business. Now comes the really exciting part, adding tasks to your checklist. Think about the individual steps or items you need to accomplish for your project and begin listing them. Each task should be clear and actionable to ensure you know exactly what needs to get done. And don't forget to assign due dates to keep your project moving along smoothly. Having those deadlines helps everyone stay accountable. As you go through your tasks and start completing them, you'll want to keep track of your progress. Fortunately, Asana makes this simple. Click on the circles next to each task to tick them off as they get completed. There's something really satisfying about checking off tasks, isn't there? And just like that, you're equipped with a fully functioning checklist in Asana. Take a moment to appreciate your work. Open your checklist and review all the tasks you've set up. Remember, checklists are a fantastic way to manage your projects and ensure that nothing slips through the cracks. Whether you're managing personal projects or collaborating with a team, Asana makes it easy and efficient. That wraps up today's tutorial on creating checklists in Asana. I hope you found it straightforward and helpful. If you did, please take a moment to subscribe and like the video.